Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Zcash. On a 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price of Zcash has rallied very well after the breakout from this wedge. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, back from 2023 to 2024, and I've been telling you in those days that once Zcash will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, you can see that from this low to this current high, it has rallied more than 2,274%. And now, recently, we have broken out another resistance of $305. That was previously working at the point of rejection here and resistance here. And now, recently, we have broken it out. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this was the resistance. We got rejection here, and finally the price line has almost reached the target for the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So that's that analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared, by the way, on 19th of September 2025. And that was a bullish garlic move that Zcash completed on a daily time frame chart with the with Bitcoin pair, by the way. And this was the complete trade setup. It buying's on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal. First, it once again dropped more down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive reverse and the price line rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has rallied more than 676%. Very, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash. And now here you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern. Before that, the price then also broke out this smaller wedge that was formed within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And in those days, I've been telling you that once Zcash will be able to break it out, then it can soon break out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see that first we broke out this wedge, then we retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support and geared up, and we broke out the bigger wedge, then the price informed another smaller falling wedge pattern, and the previous resistance of the wedge was acting as a support of this wedge. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive pump. The technical target was here at the top of the wedge, where we have this very, very high resistance of Zcash, and finally the price line is reached there. And this resistance is at approximately at $372. And you can see that previously it had been acting as a resistance here in the month of May 2021. And now, again, it is acting as a resistance. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this is almost 1, 2, and third day that the price is trying to break out this resistance. And once Zcash will be able to break out this resistance, then it will be flipped into a very strong and long-term support. And this rally to the downside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.